Finally, dessert. This time I did a take on our Lithuanian traditional dessert. It's usually apples because pears aren't the fruit that holds up very well for a very long time. So yeah, I did a healthy take on baked apples with some elegancy, with vegan ice cream, and with, of course, some chocolate with granola. So we made it crunchy, more crunchy, more sturdy, and the benefit of it is that it holds its shape, and it's also very delicious. So try it yourself and enjoy. Oh.
So first I'm starting with very easy ice cream, and in the blender I'm adding already frozen bananas with a spoonful of coconut cream and a touch of water, so it's easier to blend everything to the smooth consistency. And after blending, I'm adding everything in a container and putting it back to the freezer so it forms its shape. For granola, in a dry pan I'm putting oat flakes and I'm cooking it, and adding some nuts like almond and some dried fruits like goji berries and cranberries, and some touch of cinnamon and honey. And at the very end I'm putting balsamic vinegar so it gives that acidic touch. For the fruits, I'm simply slicing it in half and removing the bits, so there's going to be a space where we can put our ice cream. And now I'm going to be steaming these fruits because I don't want them to become very mushy, so we're going to be steaming them for a very little of time, up to 5 minutes. And before steaming, I'm adding a little bit of cinnamon, so that gives a very nice smell and taste of a cinnamon and that warmth. And after freezing ice cream, as you can see, we're putting them inside of the pit where we made it, and topping it up with some granola and chocolate, melted chocolate. And the fun part is on the ice cream, when we put chocolate, it becomes very crunchy, so that gives another crunchy flavor. So that's it for this recipe, and as you can see, it's very fast and simple. So that's it, and take care.